Everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Android phone has suddenly reset its date to January 1st, 1970 and refuses to show the current time, you have encountered the Unix Epoch bug. This happens because Unix time is defined as the number of seconds elapsed since January 1st, 1970, which serves as the base starting point for many operating systems. When your phone's clock gets completely wiped by a dead battery or a severe software glitch, it defaults back to this original zero value. I will show you exactly how to resync your device and fix your calendar right now. Let's get started. First, the easiest way to fix the epoch bug is to force your phone to ping your carrier's cell towers or your local Wi-Fi router for the exact current time. Open your phone's main settings application, scroll all the way down, and tap on System or General Management. Find the menu explicitly labeled Date and Time and tap it. Look for the toggle switch labeled Set Time Automatically or Use Network Provided Time. If it is already on, turn it completely off, wait 5 seconds, and turn it back on. This forces a fresh synchronization with the internet and instantly corrects the 1970 date. Next, if the date is still stuck, your system's built-in clock application might be holding on to corrupted temporary data that is preventing the time from updating properly. Open your main settings app, tap on Apps, scroll down until you find your default clock application, and tap it to open the App Info page. Tap on Storage and Cache and hit the Clear Cache button to wipe out the broken time logs. Restart your phone completely, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and the device's current date should update perfectly. Finally, if the setting is completely grayed out or your phone keeps resetting back to 1970 every single time you reboot, a deeper system glitch is causing the memory wipe. Completely power off your Android phone. Next, press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the exact same time until your device's manufacturer logo appears on the screen. This boots your phone into the hidden Android recovery mode. Use your volume buttons to scroll down and highlight the option to wipe cache partition. Press the power button once to select it and confirm the action. Once finished, select Reboot System Now. Your phone will rebuild its core temporal files and securely lock in the correct current date. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.